We are in Sattari Taluka at the foothill of the Western Ghat part of India. This is a very beautiful region and the village is Kumarkhand. Once upon a time, the potters were residing in this village and that is why the village got the name Kumarkhand. However, Kumarkhand gained name and fame mainly because of Dipaji Rani, the valiant fighter who was responsible for unfurling the flag on 26 January 1852 on the bank of river Mahadai in Nanus village on the fort. So because of Dipaji Rani, the place became popular in the history. As far as the folk songs of Shigmu are concerned, there is reference टाटा सत्तरीमध्ये कोणवीर बळी बा कोणवीर बळी सत्तरीच्या म्हालाक बंडाय केली शब्बास राहणारे बंडाय तुझी रेडे घाटेर बंडाय तुझी. So Rede Ghati reference is there and this is the place very near to the historic Rede Ghati. Rede Ghati is a place which was known for carrying the cannon and the buffaloes were used for taking cannon and that is why this area became popular as Rede Ghati. However, this region is also known geologically important because the place where I am standing at the backdrop one can see huge tall towering boulder. The local in the area call this stone as Zalmatso Guno. And in Sattari we have many such boulder and these boulders actually were the creation of the geology. However, people related them with their sociological life, with their cultural life and that is why such type of the stone became popular as a religious entity, as a cultural entity. The Kumarkhand villager pay their gratitude to this stone as Zalmatso Guno and since the ages people protected this stone as if it is the representation of the Zalmi. So Zalmi actually belonging to the tribal community. So once upon a time in Sattari there were settlements of the tribal community Gauda. So among Gauda Zalmi is very important and in the village Zalmi is given the highest status by the community. So this stone is considered as Zalmatso Guno and that is why one can see this stone is standing in this area and if you make attempt it is very difficult to move this stone. So this stone look as if it is falling down but even 100 or 200 youth jointly join the hand and make attempt to drift this stone, it is highly impossible. So this is the creation of Mother Earth and that is why wherever such stones are there they became the part of the religion. In Dodamak the hill called Kasainath is worshipped as the representation of the Shivnath or Lord Shiva and Lord Shiva is worshipped here as Kasainath. So in the same way in the area of Kepe, Salset, Sangi people consider hill as the representation of the Shiva and they worship this whole hill as Chandreshwar or Chandranath. So we have a rich tradition in India wherein we consider hill as the representation of the god and the stone also gain importance. So this Zalmatso Guno is one of the assets of geological heritage of Goa and there is need to protect the geological heritage.